Hello again. It's me, Sheila Lemon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So tonight we're going to make macaroni salad. But this macaroni salad, it's something unique. I got these ideas from my friend Sunwerly before in Olathe. She's one of our members in the church, but I forgot her name. But she gave me the recipes before, but I lost it. But I still remember the recipes because I always make this every time there's a celebration or there's a party. So I make this kind of salad. Okay, let's start. But before we're gonna start, I'm going to show it to you some ingredients that we're going to use to our macaroni salad. So guys, eto na yung mga ingredients natin. So first, this is our noodles. And we need chicken, grapes, celery, teaspoon of sugar, the mayonnaise again, apricot, ito ho nagpapasarap. Put salt and pepper to taste. So, first, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna put the chicken. We're gonna put all the dry ingredients. Ayan. We're gonna put the grapes. Lahat ho ng dry. And then we're gonna put the celery. Then we're going to put the onion leaves. And then i-mix lang siya natin. I feel that it's not gonna fit. Ooh. Ayan, i-mix na natin. And then we're going to add apricot paste. Ito ho ang nagpapasarap. 3 tablespoons. And then i-mix natin uli. Are we gonna add another 1 tablespoon? Gawin natin siya 4 tablespoon. Ayan, maglagay tayo ng mayonnaise. Maglagay tayo like 1 cup and a half of mayonnaise. I-mix lang ho natin. Yan, di ba? Parang ganyan na. And then, ilagay natin yung sugar na 1 teaspoon. Ayan. And then, lagyan din ho natin ng salt. And, maglagay tayo ng pepper. Ayan. And then, okay na ho siya. Ready na ho siya. Ready na yan. Pwede na yan i-serve. Ayan, because I always made extra food to my family, especially that when I go to work. So they have food in the morning or in the noon time or in the lunch time. Eto na ho yun. Yan, ready na yan. Lagyan na natin sa. So, eto na ang ating chicken macaroni salad with apricot. So, apricot paste. Eto na siya. So, try natin. Kain po tayo. Let's eat. We're gonna try. Sarap. Honestly, sarap po. The combination of the grapes, celery, everything. Honestly, sarap. The chicken, everything. The noodles, the onion leaves, it really helps. Sarap po. Sarap. Sarap kaya. One more. Ayan. I always use yung parang butterfly noodles. But this is my first time that I use. Masarap rin po siya. Masarap na kain yung noodles. Sarap. Pagkatapos ko mag-TikTok, kain na ulit tayo. Kasi naka-dinner na ho ako. If you like the way I made, please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell again. Hit the bell so that ma-notify ko kayo sa mga susunod ko pa na mga coming videos. So, I'm very happy. Thank you so much. And hopefully, guys, that you keep watching my YouTube channel. And masayahan ho kayo sa aking mga next na mga videos. There are more coming happy videos and more fun videos. Hindi lang ho cooking stuff. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much. I love you. See ya. Bye. Mwah.